If you have used directory search, you know how it works by default. A visitor types something and the plugin looks for those exact words in your listing title and description. Type plumber, you get listing with the word plumber. That's it. That works fine until a visitor searches emergency pipe repair or 24-hour drainage fix, and your plumber listing shows as nothing. Directorist AI search is built to close that gap. It doesn't replace your search bar, it works behind it, matching search intent rather than just matching words. Let's set it up. Before we get into setup, one thing worth clarifying. AI search is not a new search widget you add to your page. Your existing search, whether that's the standard directory search or the universal search for multi-directory sites, stays exactly where it is. What AI search does is improve the result of those searches. When a visitor runs a query, AI search processes it contextually and finds listings that are semantically relevant, even if the exact words don't appear in the listing. And here's how directories handle this on the backend. You don't supply an API key, you don't pay per search. Directories manages the AI infrastructure. All you need to do is index your listing, which we'll cover in a moment. One important note before you start. AI search only works on a live public domain. It won't activate on localhost or local development environment. Let's get started by navigating to plugins in your WordPress admin dashboard. You should see Directories, Business Directory Solution listed as active. Below it, you will find the Directories AI search extension activated if you haven't already. Once activated, go to the Directories menu. You will see AI search listed there. Click it. If you are not already connected to your Directories account, you will see a login prompt. Click Login to Directorist and enter your account email and password. This connects your site to the Directories backend so the AI service can automatically provision it. Before indexing, take a moment to review the AI search setting. Go to Directory Settings, open Extension and select AI Search. You will see 4 settings here: API timeout, how long your server waits for the AI service to respond. The default of 5 seconds works for most sites. Leave it unless you are seeing timeouts. Minimum search score, this is the relevance threshold for normal listing. A score of 30 means a listing must be at least 30% relevant to a query to appear in the result. You can adjust this later based on how your search performs. Featured minimum search score, the same threshold but for featured listing. You may want this lower than your minimum score, so featured listing get broader visibility in result, which is the purpose of featuring them. Automatic re-indexing on listing update. Keep this on. It ensures that when a listing changes, its index entry updates automatically, without you having to do it manually. Save your settings before moving on. Now go back to AI search and open the listing tab. This is where you manage what gets indexed. At the top, you will see a status summary. Right now, all listings are showing as not indexed. They won't appear in AI search result until they are indexed. To index everything at once, click Index All. For individual listing, use the Index button in each row. You can also use the bulk action drop-down to select multiple listings and index them together. Once indexed, each listing shows its status in the AI search status column. Green index means it's live and searchable through AI search. You will also notice a semantic term field next to each listing. This is optional but useful. If your listing title doesn't include the words your visitors are likely to search, synonym, local phrases, abbreviations, industry terms, add them there. They won't appear on the public listing, but they help AI search connect the listing to more relevant queries. After adding semantic term, click Save Terms. The listing will be re-indexed with the new information. Before your visitor rely on those results, test them yourself. Open the Search Test tab. Enter a query, set a result limit and hit search. See the result, adjust your score. The score slider lets you tune the threshold in real time. If results feel too broad, increase the minimum score. If relevant listings aren't appearing, lower it. Once you are happy with the threshold, click Save Score as Settings to apply them side-wide. That's the full setup. Once your listing are indexed and your score threshold are set, all AI search runs automatically in the background, improving result for every search your visitor run. Your search bar stays the same, your listing becomes easier to find. If you encounter any issues during setup, verify that your site is on a live domain, that you are logged into your Directorist account, and that your listing have been indexed. The AI search page will show you exactly what's missing if anything isn't connected. Links to the documentation and the extension page are in the description below. This is 𝗂𝗏 and I'll see you in the next one.